Community Fibre owns and builds its own dedicated fibre network around London, allowing us to provide the fastest speeds to our customers. So my name is Mike Brewman and I'm the Head of Supply Chain at Community Fibre. Ultimately, I'm responsible for making sure that the supply chain is running efficiently and effectively. Community Fibre is a London-based broadband company delivering full fibre exclusively to residents and businesses of London. Community Fibre has passed over 500,000 homes and 100,000 businesses, and we have plans to go to 2.2 million homes by the end of 2024. We couldn't have done this without all of our supply chain, and they're a real important cog in the wheel that is delivering fibre to our customers. Community is really at the core of what we do. We work really closely with those communities that we operate and work in to help them get the best out of technology. Community Fibre has experienced really exciting rapid growth, and I can't wait for 2023 where we're going to further expand our network and increase the number of customers that can connect to us and continue to deliver a fantastic service to those customers.